you're starting your green card process or already waiting, there's one question almost everyone asks. How long is this going to take? Really? Months? Years? And more importantly, am I on track or stuck? Let's walk through the real timeline step by step so you know exactly what's happening and what to expect. Every green card case begins with a petition. For family cases, it's usually Form I-130, and for employment cases, it's Form I-140. This step is simply proving you qualify. But here's the reality most people don't realize. Approval of the petition does not give you a green card, it only opens the door. Typical timeline, around 12 to 18 months on average. But depending on category, it can take much longer. Waiting for a visa, this is where many people feel stuck. If you're an immediate relative of a U.S. citizen, no waiting line. You move forward immediately. But if you're in a family preference or employment category, you may wait years because visas are limited each year. This is called priority date waiting. And this is why two people filing the same form can have completely different timelines. Adjustment of status or consular processing once your petition is approved and your visa is available, you move to the next stage, Form I-485, or if you're outside the U.S., consular processing, embassy interview. If you're inside the U.S., I-485, here's what usually happens. Receipt notice in 2 to 4 weeks, biometrics appointment, possible RFE, request for evidence, and then interview, sometimes waived. Processing time is around 8 to 12 months on average if you're outside the U.S. Case goes to National Visa Center, document review, 2 to 4 months, interview scheduling, 2 to 6 months. Total consular timeline, around 16 to 24 months overall. This is the step people fear the most. But here's the truth. If your case is clean and well prepared, approval is very likely. You're not being tested to fail. You're being verified once approved. You officially become a lawful permanent resident, and your green card is mailed to you. What people really want to know is the total timeline. Let's simplify everything. Marriage-based U.S. citizen, around 9 to 14 months in many cases. Adjustment of status average, around 8 to 12 months after filing I-485. Consular processing, around 16 to 24 months total. Employment-based, with PERM, can take years depending on backlog. What happens after you get the green card? Very important. This is what many people overlook. Your journey is not over. For citizenship, you can apply in 3 years if married to U.S. citizen, 5 years, standard rule. Final takeaways, most important. If you remember nothing else, remember this. The process starts with a petition, but that's just the beginning. Visa availability can delay you more than USCIS, but I-485 stage is where things move fast. Timelines vary based on category, not just paperwork. Approval depends on preparation, not luck. And most importantly, you're not just waiting for a green card, you're building your future in the U.S.